Hello, my name is Michelle. We are just a few minutes away from the maiden launch of Aeronis-7 Block 1 on the ASS-1 test mission. Final system checks are underway. The vehicle has been fully stacked and is standing on the new upgraded launch pad. Propellant loading is stable, all ground support lines are nominal. This flight will focus on structural and aerodynamic performance under real conditions. No satellite on board, only pure testing. Stay with us as we approach liftoff. Ground crews have cleared the pad, and we're now moving into final countdown configuration. Weather remains favorable with low wind shear and stable pressure. All flight computers are running on internal power, guidance systems are synchronized, and range safety is green. The team is calm, focused, and all eyes are on this vehicle as it prepares to make history for Aeronis space.
Fueling operations are now entering the final phase. Both stages are approaching full tank pressure. Boreum-1 our engines are in standby, with ignition systems armed and monitored. The flight director has given a go for remaining procedures. This moment has been years in the making. Every test, every rebuild, every long night leading up to this pad. The vehicle is standing steady, waiting for its first command to fly.
The countdown clocks are now being synchronized across all systems. Pad equipment has switched to automatic control, and the vehicle is officially in launch configuration. Engineers are monitoring every parameter, from fuel temperature to structural strain. Tension is high, but confidence is steady. This rocket carries no satellite today, only the hopes, the work, and the data of an entire team. Whatever happens next, Aeronis-7 is ready to learn, to adapt, and to move forward.
T-minus 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7,
It's a historic moment for Aeronis-7 as the first test flight begins.
The vehicle is climbing steadily, passing through the denser layers of the atmosphere. Speed and dynamic pressure are increasing as we approach max Q, the point of maximum aerodynamic stress. All engine parameters remain stable, and guidance continues to keep the trajectory precise. Telemetry shows the structural loads rising exactly as predicted. The rocket is holding steady as it prepares to reach the highest forces it will experience during ascent.
max Q.
Now the vehicle is passing max Q. Lost some fuel engine.
Default text telemetry is showing a critical anomaly in the main tank, pressure is rising uncontrollably, and the structure is failing. Boreum-1 our engines are shutting down one by one as thrust drops rapidly. The vehicle is losing stability and control. Visual confirms breakup of the rocket. ASS-1 has suffered a catastrophic failure during ascent, only seconds after the peak aerodynamic stress phase. This concludes the live coverage of the ASS-1 test flight. While the vehicle did not complete its mission, the data gathered is invaluable for Aeronis-7. Every anomaly teaches us more about structural limits, engine behavior, and pressure management. Thank you to everyone watching. We will analyze the results, make improvements, and return stronger. From all of us at Aeronis-7, see you next time.